Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a text outline effect like this on your Canva on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this outline text effect on your Canva, it's just going to show in this video. It's simple. So for an example, you can first just select any object. For an example, here you're just going to type as a flower. So you can find a flower image of flower graphics, whatever. So for an example, I'm just going to choose a flower a picture or a flower PNG or whatever. So just going to take a rose here. So now I'm just going to make it as just need to click on the BG remover, background remover, so it removed the background. If you don't have the pro version, you just do with PNG maker or any apps you're just using. Then now you're just going to add a text here. So I'm just going to type as flower and just make it as capital and try to make a bold font, so it will be look great. So now I'm just going to resize the text and just keep it on the center. Just choose the color you just needed. So here I just go with a white color or yellow color, whatever the color you just needed. Here I'm just going to make it as a white or yellow or red color. So just go with the red and just click on the position option and just need to move backward. Now make a duplicate of this text, just keep it on the top, and now just change the color to a black color and just click on the effect option. Just click on the halo effect. So now you can see how it's created. You can just easily move it and you can just remove the top color and just can change the color. For an example, just going to change this to white. Just changing this to red or black or yellow. For an example, it's going to change this to yellow and this to be black, so it will be so visible. And just keep it on the top and it will be look like this. This is how you just make an outline text effect on your Canva on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.